Now, FillDown allows you to place the same statement in multiple students' comments. First, you have to select the students you want this comment to go into. So, I'm going to, looking at this list here, maybe you can see all these students that have a rating of 3. 3 is the highest rating that I have, so they all did really well on this assessment. They get a 9 or a 10. So I'm going to do a quick search by pressing the magnifying glass, and I'm going to put a rating of 3 in the rating spot and start the search. So I'm going to find everyone that has a rating of 3. I'm not going to sort this. Now I'm going to select all these students by pressing the select button, which is the boxes with the little check mark here at the top. If I press that button, it selects everybody in this list. So now I'm going to place a comment in all of these, the same comment. So I'm going to press fill down. I'm going to fill this comment in. Enter comment to fill down. You'll see a box that says that. I'm going to click in that box. And I could type a comment like, great job, and then press fill, and then put that in everybody's. Sometimes you might want to use the pronoun or the student's name. And I can't put Billy, great job Billy, and put that in everyone's. So to do that, you'll see these blue buttons at the top, and there's name and pronouns there. So if I press great job, if I do this, great job, and then I press that name, that's going to say great job Eager or great job Aline or whatever. It's going to replace the correct name or correct pronoun. And then I'm going to say he, she, understands short division. Now, if I'm happy with that, I can also press, put in a score and have that replace in all these ones, or in a rating in all of them. But since I already have the rating and scores in, I'm not going to bother here, but I could replace the score and rating in groups of students as well. So I'm just going to press fill because I'm happy with this now. And it says fill the comments in all the selected students. I'm going to press fill. And you can see here, great job Igor, he understands short division. Great job Eileen, she understands short division. So it will change the name and the pronouns. Now, let's sort these. I'm going to press the sort button at the top and sort by rating. Now I have these are the students at the top that didn't understand. So I'm going to select them. I could do a find. I could press the magnifying glass and do a find, or I can just, click on these boxes at the end of their names. Might be a little faster sometimes. So I selected these students. Now I'm going to do a fill down. This time, I'm going to get a comment that I've already created in the comment bank. So you see the next tab over says Get from Bank. And it says Step 1, select the subject, category, and subcategory for the comment you want to find, and then tap on the comment you want. So I'm going to press OK here. And I'm going to click where it says Art here at the top. I'm going to go Mathematics. Then I'm going to click the next box down, and I'm going to click Operations, and the next box down, Short Division. I've already created a comment in a subject called Mathematics, in a kind of category called Operations, and then a subcategory, Short Division. And now there would be a list here of all the comments I've created for that. I've only got one. And so I'm just going to click on this one, and it automatically puts it in over here with that name, is finding short division challenging, so on. You also see a little link. It says, please watch the attached video on how we perform short division in class. And there's a link to a YouTube video on how to do short division. I might be happy with this now. I'm just going to go fill the comments in all selected students. I put fill. And now you'll see it has their name and the video as well attached. Now, the other students that are on your way, I might just click in here and type in more specific information. But I'm going to show you one more thing with the fill down. So I'll just click a couple of these students and go fill down. Let's pretend I'm working on a comment for somebody, and I'm just saying, let's say Doug. putting Doug needs extra work with, and so on. I'll pretend I have a comment there. And let's pretend I'm thinking that's a really good comment, and I want to save that comment to the comment bank. So I'm going to press save comment to the comment bank. I'm going to go back and let me show you that again. The tab that says save to bank, I'm going to press that, and then it says select the subject, category, and subcategory for this comment. So I'm going to press OK. And I'm going to select the subject. It's going to be mathematics. The category is going to be operations. And I'm going to do this in as an extra short division comment, another one. And then it says type the comment in the comment field using the blue buttons for names and or pronouns, and tap the Save to Bank button. So I'm going to put OK. So you still see Doug needs extra work with. Now I can't use Doug because then that'll just put Doug in everyone's, and I want to use name. So I'm going to back out Doug, and I'm going to put name in. Name needs extra work with, and I would change any of the he's and she's using these pronoun buttons. If I'm happy with that, I'm going to press Save to Bank. This will save it to the bank, and it'll fill this comment in the selected students. If I say fill, I could cancel and say no, but I'm going to press fill. And now you'll see Doug needs extra work with, Annie needs extra work with, and now those comments are not only in here, but they're also in the comment bank. Now the last thing about the comment bank is, let's say I want to clear all these comments. Made some mistakes. I want to clear out comments. I could select everyone or just select a few students, but I'm going to select everybody by pressing the select button at the top. I'm going to go fill down, and I'm going to clear down. So you'll see this button up by the green fill. It says clear down. I can clear down. When I press clear down, it says this is used to clear or remove scores, ratings, or comments in the selected students. It is like fill down except erases data. So I press OK. So then there's 3 messages come up, so be very careful. It says clear the scores. I don't want to clear the scores in this case, so I'm going to say no, I don't want to clear the scores. Clear the ratings? No, I don't want to clear the ratings in this case. Clear the comments? Yes, I'm going to put clear the comments. So now this just cleared all the comments out, and I can start again from scratch.